What up, y'all? So the next couple videos is just intake compilations because I've never made a dedicated video to this, so this is it. And it's just a mashup of like stuff that I did with my intake and the heat shield and stuff like that. This is just a cover. It looks kind of dirty, but it's just covering my intake and stuff like that from debris and shit from the engine and all that. But yeah, all right, hope y'all like it.
All right, guys, the part came in, and what we're gonna be replacing is this with this. So this one doesn't have like any hard edges inside. It's by Spulen, and it's gonna be replacing that part. So let's see how it fits actually, because it looks a little bit. Yeah, it should be fine. All right, fuck it. All right, guys, I'll show you after it's installed. Like I heard, it just helps up spool a little bit better, but let's see how it does. If anything, better than the stock thing, because that thing. We'll see how it fits. Hopefully it fits nicely, because shit, I don't feel like returning things. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, it's in. That's how it looks like. But I had to cut off a lot of shit, because I was not finna get another intake, because I don't want to spend more money. So, that's it right there. I'm gonna turn it on. Should be the same shit, but I cut so much off, bro. I think there's another couple pieces over there, but because it would sit too high and there's no flex in it, so if you budge it even a little bit, it kinks. So that's where this thing, you know, flexes and stuff, because it can, but those hoses can't flex, so kinks, and that's no point. So bam. So I made a heat shield with like actual like metal sheets and heat foil. So it really works. Like, it looks stupid as hell, but this thing works. Like at night after I come in, like I'll open this thing up and this thing gets hot as hell in here, and it isn't a true cold air intake because it's just a hot air intake, but this thing really be sucking up cold ass air. Like I touch this and it's like freezing. Like air is coming in through here and it's just hitting the piping and this, so it's just sucking up cold ass air. And I also removed my fog light so air can come in through there, and it comes out straight through there actually. So I like put pieces of like sheet metal and foil tape as well, so it rounds out and it comes straight up here, and it just makes it a lot better, because I didn't buy like an actual intake with like the heat shield and shit, but I prefer mine because I can like block off each part, like it's all sealed up, like sealed up perfectly, and it doesn't get hot at all. Getting a brand new filter because this shit is beat up. Look at that shit. Focus. It's all cut up, it's beat up, it's old, it's dirty. You can clean these, but this shit's past its prime already. But yeah, it's just old. It's just, like all that is cracking off and stuff, so I'm just gonna get a new one because it's old, and I never oiled it back up after I cleaned it. So yeah, we're gonna put this new bitch on. It's the same filter. I mean, I worked with it before, I've used it, it's never done anything wrong. It's an air filter. So I know a lot of people are gonna be like, get a K&N, buy me a K&N then. All right, and this is the filter. Nice, brand new, pre-oiled. So let's compare it real quick. I'm gonna take it out the bag, don't worry. Like, damn, I should take it out the bag, I'm stupid. All right, hold up. All right, this is it out the bag. It's chrome. I wish it was black, but beggars can't be choosers. And if anyone wondering, for the Audi, this shit does fit straight onto the car, like just straight on there. You're gonna need the 4-inch one though, because it comes with like bands to make it different sizes. And I'm gonna use that one. Damn, but whatever. I want to take this one off. You're gonna need the 4-inch, and it'll really bolt on there. I'll show you in a bit. And this is why I'm taking it off. So I pulled it out, took off the band and all that. Wait, do I need that one? You know what? You might need the 3.5. Never mind. You might need the 3.5. Put that one back in. But anyways, look, like this part is like a gasket seal, came off. This one is still good on there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Like it'll go right on the MAF air sensor. Like the 3.5-inch one will go straight on there, and you're good. It'll fit with the stock pipe, because I don't have a stock pipe. I have a Spulen intake pipe. And then if you don't know what this is, watch my other videos before you start asking questions. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put this shit back on. 1 second. Actually, look at this shit. Damn, these are all burgundy ones back then. Nah, I'm just fucking with that shit, dirty as hell. All right, Alright, yeah. Got it on there. I had some problems because I guess the other one from like over time, I guess this shrunk and it was perfectly around this one, but this one wasn't. You just gotta tighten it hard as fuck. And it looks like there is a gap, but there's a seal in there. You're good. All clean. Alright.
But yeah, this is what it currently looks like. I just made this out of like some plastic and stuff like that. I just want to go ahead and put a cover on it. But if you have some questions, which I'm sure y'all do, because I just made a bukkake out of like old videos, hit me up on my Instagram. I have it down below in the description. And just hit me up, like, subscribe. Peace.